Today I'm going to be rebuilding one of my projects from my most popular video. And the only power tool you'll need is a drill. It's also low cost and high profit. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is grab a piece of wood like this, a 2x4. Measure right here at the 5-inch mark and mark your piece. And then measure at the 1/2-inch mark and the 1-inch mark right here. And then mark your piece. And then flip it over and take a piece of scrap wood and make an X on it. And now grab a handsaw and a chisel. Now normally I would need to hold this piece down with my own hands while I'm sawing it, but thanks to today's sponsor, JLCMC sells these clamps. JLCMC is your go-to online store for a wide range of mechatronic components. Products are not only affordable, but often beat prices you'll find on other websites or in stores. If you're trying to keep costs low without sacrificing quality, then it's definitely a site worth checking out. Shipping is quick and they deliver worldwide. Right now, new users can get up to $70 in coupons. So go check them out using my link below. So instead of trying to hold the piece like this while I'm trying to saw it, I can use the clamp and clamp it down. Just pull the lever. And then it won't move at all. And now cut these pieces right here, but only go down like 1/2 inch. If your piece is still moving around too, you can adjust the clamp right here so it doesn't move around. And now use your chisel and chisel this piece out right here. And now get your drill bit, and I'm going to drill right here where the center is. And now grab the piece and some sandpaper and sand it down. If you're liking this video so far, make sure to like and subscribe for more, and go check out some of my other videos too. So this is the one I just made right here, but as you can see, I built a whole bunch of different ones. This one can hook onto stuff. These all do the same thing though. They all can amplify the sound. So you put your phone on it and then it makes it sound louder. It's also a regular phone stand that you can use to just hold your phone too. All kinds of different ways that you can customize these. You can offer them different paint colors or sizes or stain colors. You can offer them in different shapes. There's all kinds of different ways that you can customize these to sell them for more money. So now I'm going to show you how they actually amplify the sound. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.